Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a video to continue to talk about Bitcoin and tracking the price to explain to you guys how Bitcoin is moving, and I can anticipate the price, what's going to happen in the near future for the price of Bitcoins. I'm also going to continue explain to you a lot of my swing trading stock that I have been following for a while, and explain to you guys their price action and see how that's going to go. The first thing is Bitcoin, so let's see what's going on with it. So on November 5th, I made a video to explain to you guys to not buy Bitcoin at the high of 7,600. As you can, I explained how all these four candlesticks showing there's huge sign of profit taken right here, and look what happened right afterward. There was huge sell-off, a 6% downside for Bitcoin and hitting $6,900, and it's been going back up. Why? Let me explain to you why. A lot of time when a stock, a Bitcoin, a commodity that breaks below the support level, this is a short-term support line, guys. And a lot of time when a price breaks below it, it likes to retest that level one more time. For me, I'm anticipating it to retest this support line right here at around $7,400, and then I see continued downside. If it breaks this, the highest I see this Bitcoin's going again is retesting the high of 7,600, and it's gonna go back down, guys. And retest I'm anticipating to at least $6,400. So once again, save yourself $1,000, invest in something else. Do not buy Bitcoin at the high. I'm going to continue tracking the price for you guys and explain to you guys how it's going, but there's a very rare chance that Bitcoin will break through all of this resistance line and making new highs in the short term. I do see Bitcoin going up to hitting 10,000 again in the future, but in the short term, I do see a small correction. So I look to buy a support line, guys. Do not buy near the high at the resistance line. All right. Now we're gonna talk about a couple stocks I've been following. Once again, we're gonna start with PSDV. So in the past 4 days, it has a good run from $1.14 all the way up to $1.27. Today, though, it gapped down all the way to $1.18. It made a good retracement back, almost filling the gap, but unfortunately, it did not fill that gap yet, and it closed at $1.60. So before I explain anything else, I want to explain to you guys that PSDV has been consolidating for a long time now, guys. It has been consolidating for 41 days. So over a month, almost a month and a half, it has been consolidating. And once again, the price is still in consolidating level. So what does this tell you? It basically tells you that PSDV will continue to fluctuate between that price of $1.13 and $1.14 to $1.30. It's gonna consolidate in between those prices until it break above 130 or below 113, breaking below the consolidation level with volume. And why do I exaggerate on the word volume? Is because look at this. This is a huge price action of 8%, almost 10% today at the low. But yet look at the volume. It barely breaks the previous day where we made a 2% increase. So as you can see, the volume is not backing up this sell-off, guys. So basically, there's a lot of investors that are still holding strong to their position. So tomorrow, there's not much I can anticipate with this price. Right now, it's holding this support line, so I can anticipate the price to hold above 115 tomorrow. But tomorrow, we need to see how the price moves tomorrow. If there was a bullish day where the price closed above 116, then we can anticipate that the bulls are still strongly in control, and we will continue to see slowly the bulls will takes over and break off this resistance before we see more upside. Alright, so the MPI, the better one is around 82 cents. It's a really strong support line. It touched it like 3-4 times, and I want to see tomorrow holding 82 cents. If it holds 82 cents, then I'm still bullish. It's still holding its trends, especially with the news in the late afternoon on the new CEO. I want to see how investors take that news. I don't trade on fundamentals. I don't trade on news, but I want to see how the price moves tomorrow. If it bounces above this support of 82 cents, then I'm gonna continue to hold, and Once again, this resistance line I explained in my previous video. If it breaks above it, I see continued upside from there. So I'm still holding. 82 cents is the core resistance level that we have to pay attention to. I do see it holding, guys. So I do see 82 cents holding and upside from there. Once again, we want to see this resistance line broken before any upside. So pay attention to 82 cents, the support, and this resistance line at 80 for tomorrow is going to be around 86 cents. Once that's broken, we're going to see upside. Once 82 cents is broken, then I'm going to be a little worried about my position on DMPI and plan for exit. Next is AMRS. I really like AMRS price movement today. I explained to you guys my position. I'm continuing to hold because the close of yesterday was still above this support line right here, and so I explained how important this support line is, this short-term uptrend support line, and the price staying above it. And look at the close today. Tomorrow I see a huge upside, guys. Why? I explained this huge resistance line before, right? How the price rejected it right here at the high, the price started dropping. So I see once this price break above it and holds, we're gonna see 5 to 15%, like I explained in my previous video. Once again, look, the MACD cross is a bullish sign, and RSI showing upper sign. AMRS is on the lookout for tomorrow. I'm seeing 5 to 15% increase tomorrow. RTTR. So I exited RTTR around 34 cents. It hit my stop loss, but today was actually, I'm very curious of what's going on tomorrow because of this doji, right, guys? So I like seeing candlesticks. I'm a technical trader and I like to see candlesticks. A lot of time when a doji like this, tomorrow if it can close above it, then I do see the bulls are regaining control, and we will see upside from then. I might plan to re-enter if there was a confirmation on the upside. So tomorrow, pay attention to closes today. 30 cents. Break above it, close anything that closes green tomorrow, then is with volume, then we do see confirmation upside. But I have no position RTTR, and I want to continue tracking the price and see how it's going. So ATRS, as you can see, this resistance line right here, the price rejected it. I wanna see the price to break above this resistance line to see more upside. So I'm going to continue to track the price here and see how this support line is going to hold. Yes, so I have no position in it. I'm just going to continue tracking this price, see if it breaks this resistance line, and plan for entry, and we'll see upside from that. Another stock I want to talk about. Let me explain to you how PTX is going. Alright, so I want to show you guys this 4 candlesticks. What do they all have in common? They all 4 has huge wicks once again. That means there's a lot of sellers up in this area, guys. We want to see the price. Tomorrow I can actually 65% chance the price is gonna retest the support line. I want to see the bulls can hold this support line and slowly regain control of this huge sell area right here. So here, let me explain to you the price areas we're looking at. So tomorrow, I can almost guarantee and tell you that tomorrow the price is gonna hit $2.80. From there, we want to see the price to bounce off this support line and go back up. I still won't enter position yet. I want to see the price to regain control of this sell area and break above this whole resistance line right here, break above around $2.95, break above it and hold with volume, then we can actually see upside. Alright, so I want to make a pretty short video to explain some of the stocks that I've been following, and maybe that will help you out to a lot of the shareholders that are currently holding those stocks and have no idea why the price moving that way or what we can anticipate from them. The video there, I hope this video have helped you in any kind of way. If it did, make sure you guys subscribe. If you have any questions, I love to help people out, so make sure you comment below if you have any questions, or email me at oneandonly@gmail.com or at my stock tweets. Alright, And don't forget, I do offer one-on-one sessions. The one thing about one-on-one session that I think is extremely helpful is that I can actually identify what you're doing wrong as a trader, and I can actually help you and explain to you how you can improve yourself. A lot of people don't know what they're doing wrong, and for me to identify that for you, it'll help tremendously. So make sure you ask me about that. Alright, thanks guys, and have a good night, and good luck trading tomorrow.